Okay, we're just southwest of the east pole of the Moffat Tunnel, and as we're snowshoe trekking off trail, we ran into some ice climbers, and they're saying if you follow this path, you'll get to this frozen waterfall that's about maybe 30 feet high. So we decided, okay, we'll just follow their track on up to this frozen waterfall. So this is where we're at right now. I'm going to point downhill as my crew starts navigating back down the mountain, and off in the distance you see Moffat Tunnel complex where the Union Pacific Amtrak trains come out of, coming from California, Winter Park, or coming from Chicago, Denver to California. And there's my part of my group carefully trying to come down from the side of the waterfall. Say, don't fall. Okay. This is a beautiful day. It's about maybe 48 degrees today here up in Roosevelt National Forest, and we're in the James Peak Wilderness area right now. So you see they're slowly trying to get down the mountain, down the slope to get back down to a little bit more level ground. There's another one of my snowshoes down there. That's Sandy right there. And there in blue is Melinda, and right behind her is Meyer. So they enjoy coming on these crazy adventures I do once in a while. I need to come up here in the summertime to see what this looks like after all the snow is melted. Today, this is March the 19th, 2017. So I'm just still showing them as they are slowly trying to get down the side of this mountain right here. Let me look off in the distance. And there's the top of the frozen waterfall. So there are Linda and Maya still slowly trying to make it down very carefully. And there's Sandy down there.